Welcome to our channel. If you want to unsubscribe from Spotify Premium and return to the free tier, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Spotify website at spotify.com. Click Log in the top right corner and enter your account credentials. Step 2. After logging in, click on your profile name in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account overview page. Step 3. On your account page, scroll down to find the Your Plan section, which displays your current Spotify Premium subscription details. Step 4. Click on Change Plan or Manage Plan to view your subscription options and cancellation settings. Step 5. Look for the option that says Cancel Premium or Switch to Free and click on it to begin the cancellation process. Step 6. Spotify may offer you a discounted rate or pause option to retain your subscription. Review these offers carefully and decline if you still wish to cancel. Step 7. Confirm your cancellation by clicking Yes, Cancel or similar confirmation button. Spotify will ask for feedback about why you're canceling. Step 8. Your premium subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period, after which you'll automatically switch to Spotify free. Check your email for cancellation confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.